Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Bubsbee. I'm so happy that you stopped on this video, and I have a hair tutorial. I know it's been a while. I haven't done one in so long. Where have my natural hair tutorials been? I know I've been doing a lot of extensions, but today I decided to do a dedicated styling video on my natural hair so you guys can see how it is. All right, it's still lively and juicy over here. All right, but let's get into this tutorial. I already washed and conditioned my hair, so now it's time to style. I did already go in with a leave-in conditioner while I was already in the shower, while my hair was nice and warm and the cuticles are open so the moisture can absorb into my hair. And now I'm just going to unravel each twist, and you're gonna see like the moistness of the sections because it's pretty moist. I want to thank Treluxe for sponsoring today's video because I will be using some dedicated Treluxe products. It's a long time love, so of course I'm gonna have a video today showcasing their products. This is right after getting out the shower, maybe like let's say a half hour, okay? And that moisture and that creaminess and richness from that leave-in conditioner has already absorbed into my strands, which is perfect beginning to an amazing style. I'm going to quickly part my hair off, and I wanted to show you guys how I like to preserve my hair underneath these protective styles you guys have been seeing on my channel nonstop. I've been doing a lot because I'm just trying to maintain as much hair as possible, maintain the moisture, because I am going through postpartum shedding. I'm not getting as much as I used to, but I'm still getting some, okay? My hair is still fragile, and wearing wigs will help a lot at keeping your hands out of your hair and locking in that moisture. But it all starts with a great base, like I said, cleansing and deep conditioning, and then the following products, the Treluxe products. All right, so like I said, I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going in with the Curl Supreme, and then I will actually go in with the high definition styler as well. So starting on that back section, I'm going to be doing some flat twists because I want my hair to lay flat to my head underneath protective styles, because we don't want that hump look when you wear a wig because you got a lot of hair in it and you didn't braid it down. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna flat twist it down because I personally like the results of my hair when I do flat twist or twist out. So I'm going to apply a small itty bitty amount of both products per section so I can get a fluffy, voluminous look when it is time to remove these flat twists out. Now you can go in with braids or twists. It's up to you. If you want your hair to be flat, okay, and that wig to be laid, all right, do smaller section and do small braids, cornrows, do that. But your girl likes a nice chunky twist out, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to continue to repeat those steps all over. I'm adding a little bit of product. These products are very concentrated, so you don't need that much. I'm going to apply it, smooth it in, detangle, and flat twist. So I want to quickly talk more about the Treluxe products. I have a code if you want to get a discount off. But what I love mainly about their products is that they're wholesome, they're very moisturizing, they're enriched with a lot of botanical ingredients. Each product gives me super slip. I can detangle with their products, okay? Even when it comes down to their cleanser, I can detangle with it. So I need that when it comes to my kinky 4C hair. I need to ensure that my hair is staying detangled while I am doing things to my hair, because dealing with tangled hair, it just takes more time and more stress. The leave-in conditioner gives you curl elasticity, hair flexibility, all right? Like I said, you will get hydration, all right? Reduce moisture loss, and it does have some strengthening ingredients. The Curl Supreme though, that 4-in-1 hydrating cream is definitely my favorite product just because I love butters. I like creamy based stylers because I like a fluffier hairstyle. I like big volume. I like big hair, and this gives me a soft, supple hold, okay? It's super thick, it's smooth, it's rich in cream, and the hydration will last you for days. It's perfect for curly hair or coily hair. If you have fine, thin hair, use a little bit, but this is perfect underneath your protective style. Now, adding that high definition styling gel, it's going to enhance your curl and give you more curl definition. If you want a little more hold in your styles, go in with the gel. You can use it by itself. You can pair it with their company products. It doesn't matter. This is going to give you some hold, some lightness, and some fluffiness. Now, I don't use too much of the high definition gel because it can give me a little bit of flakes. If you want to use a heavy hand of it, if you want to use it as a wash and go product, use an oil with it. It's so funny because right after this video, I actually did install a wig. Like I said, I put my wig cap on and I'm good to go. But you see how juicy these twists are. So this is about 2 days later. All right, I typically will leave my flat twist in for longer than that, but hey, I wanted to give you guys an actual style, so I am just going to quickly unravel these twists. I'm gonna fluff and pick, and you guys will hear my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm in a transition, guys. I'm moving, so I don't have everything. The kids never leave. So I don't have anything together, but these are the results. Of course, Treluxe products always gives me the results I like. I've been liking more of a side part lately just because my hair is just a lot thinner. Okay, postpartum. So, doing the side part gives me a little more height that I always have, that I crave. So I need a little more height, so I've been doing the side part, and it's been okay. I'm literally using my phone to see because I have my mirrors in storage. But yeah, check out Treluxe. Definitely check them out. I'm going to have, how's my mouth? I got crusties all in my mouth. I didn't even check what I got on here. Anything in my teeth? No. So definitely check out Treluxe. I love them. This is nothing to say. I have a ton of videos showcasing their products. They work, and they keep the hair moisturized. I'm now living in Florida, so we'll see how these products work in this type of climate. All right, the climate that is always hot and humid. All right, but so far so good. Like I said, Treluxe for underneath my protective styles. If I want moisture to last long, that's what I'm going to use. They have natural ingredients, aloe vera, coconut, oils, emollient enriched oils that work so well, and I just love the texture and the formula, especially the Curl Supreme. The Curl Supreme is just a go-to for me. Like the creamy, buttery texture is just, it's unmatched. Like I like to use it on my hands. I know I shouldn't, but it's so creamy and smooth, and it applies like a lotion that, yeah, it just kind of seeps in. But yeah, what do you guys think? New videos are coming out, guys, but like I said, I'm in the process of moving. I'm transitioning from up north to down south. Okay, it's a huge transition for me and my family, but so far so good. We are enjoying it. What else? Yeah, I definitely need a shape up. Let me know down below if you guys know any stylists in Florida, in the Florida area. Okay, I'm in the St. Cloud, Kissimmee, Orlando area. So don't say all the way down Miami. That's too far. That's a far drive. Let's get somewhere in the vicinity. If y'all know someone who is good at natural hair, taking care of natural hair, I'm sorry that it's loud, God. I'm sorry that it's loud. I'm surrounded by children. But someone who's good at cutting natural hair and focusing on the care and health of natural hair, I definitely want to check them out. Let me know down below. Let me know who else lives in Florida. Yay! Yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, I actually have another YouTube channel. All right, I'm gonna just drop the D's down below. Okay, but it is going to be more of a vlogging style channel, catered to me, my family, ministry, everything involved that's where that's gonna be at. So if you want to know more about me other than my hair, okay, more about my family other than their hair as well, definitely check out my YouTube channel. It's called Antoinette Is. All right, Antoinette Is. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. Definitely check it out. Hopefully, maybe I think I have to post a video before you guys can follow, because I don't think it's coming up. We'll see. I'm still gonna leave it on the screen and down below. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day whenever you are watching it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one.